A very good day to Incherosly. We are from Group 8 and our topic is Alarm System Component. And our teammates are Danish Arfan, Devram, Harvinden and Mohd SHAMIM. Now let's go to the introduction. My name is Harvinden NARASHIMAN and my matrix number is 01DKP24F2019. And first of all, for the introduction to the alarm system components. So first of all, a monitoring system is made up of several components that work together to detect abnormal activities and in machinery and components. So based on marine engineering, this is very important because it helps to ensure uh, safety and efficiency of the ship. The second is alarm systems are important to alert operators when something goes wrong. So without alarms, basically, engineers may not notice the problems early and which they can lead to serious damage or accidents and in some cases can cost a lot of money to repair the problems. So some of the key alarm components include alarm printer and lamp driver and extension alarm system. So what they mean is which these components allows alarm to be heard or seen in different locations. Wherever if you're on the ship, you can realize there's an alarm going on and you can act before the problems goes bigger. Then let's go to the next slide. So the next slide is about how the alarms are triggered when there is an emergency or a problem. Now I will explain how the alarms are triggered in a monitoring system. So first of all, alarms are activated when a monitor parameter is exceeds a preset limit. Okay, what they mean is common examples include temperature, pressure, oil level, which are very important in ship operations. So wherever or whenever these three key components exceed the preset limit, the alarm will be triggered. Then let's go to the process. Okay, the process starts when a sensor detects a physical value such as a temperature. For example, as a temperature, the signal then sends uh, to a controller like a PLC or a monitoring system. Then the value is compared with the preset limit. If the limit is exceeded, the alarm is triggered. If not, the alarm will not be triggered. And finally, the output devices such as buzzers, lamps, or alarm printers are triggered finally to the operator. So these processes ensure that any abnormal condition is detected quickly, allowing immediate action to prevent further damages or danger to the crew or the ship. Thank you very much. Now I'll allow my friend Arfan to continue the presentation. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Danish Arfan bin Muhamad Azani. Number matric 01DKP24F2007. So today I will present about the alarm printer. So basically alarm printer is like a device where we allocate all the records and it's like a logbook. So if happen anything leaking gas or high pressure or overheat on board ship, the system will record it and it's like work as printer, and also all the data will transfer to the HQ or to the port. So if anything happen to the ship, we can refer it as a history book. So basically the alarm printer records all the alarm event in printed form. So based on this slide, for the operation, when alarm occurs, system send a signal to printer and printer print details such as time, dates, alarm type, location of faults. So the main function of this alarm printer is to provide permanent record for troubleshooting and for maintenance and safety reporting. So basically, this example like as a black box of ships where all the data and records using in machinery or others problem during voyage. So all the data will be saved on the alarm printer. And next we go to lamp driver. So lamp driver used to control the visual alarm indicators, alarm lights. So as we can see at this picture, we have three main colors: red, blue, and green. So based on the expression, when the alarm is triggered, signal is sent to the lamp driver. Lamp driver activate the indicator lamp. So the different color indicate the different conditions. So first, red for critical alarm, yellow for warning, green to the normal condition. The main function is to give immediate visual warning to operators and helps quickly identify the location of type faults. That's all. Thank you.
A very good day to Ichirosli. My name is Devram Alalaki Sri RAMALINGAM SAMY. My metric card number 01DKP24F2004. And I will be talking about extension alarm systems. The purpose of this system is to send alarm signal from the main panel to remote location. It is operated by transmitting signal to key areas such as control room, engine room, and accommodation area. It utilizes visual and audio cues such as loud buzzers and siren throughout the ship. And the key function of this extension alarm system is to ensure alarm are noticed even when operators are far away, significantly improve response time during marine emergencies. Next, I'll be talking about the importance of alarm warning in engineering system. Firstly, we can talk about the safety, which ensures the safety of personnel and protect a critical equipment. Second, we can talk about the accident prevention, which stops minor issues from escalating into major failures or accidents. Third, we can also talk about the proactive monitoring, where it allows for the early detection of underlying problems. Fourth, we can talk about the cost efficiency, where significantly reduces operational downtime and lower repair costs. Lastly, we can talk about the optimized performance, where it enhances the overall reliability and dependability of the system.
Assalamualaikum sir, my name is Muhammad SHAMIM bin Muhammad FADZIL. My matrix number is 01DKP24F2013. Today I will talk about high temperature alarm in engine monitoring system. So basically in the engine there's a temperature sensor that continuously monitor the engine temperature. If the temperature goes above the set limit, if the temperature goes above the set limit, the alarm will be triggered. When that happens, a few actions will take place, like the lamp will light up as a visual warning, the buzzer also will sound as an audible alert, and at the same time, the alarm printer will record the event. The extension alarm will also send alerts to other areas so that the relevant personnel are aware of the situation. This is important because it helps prevent the engine from overheating and avoid serious damage or even system shutdown. So in conclusion, the alarm system is made up of different components that work together to detect and respond to problems. Each component has its own function, like the printer records the lamp driver show visual warnings and the extension system send alerts to other locations. That's why it is important for everything to work properly so the system can stay safe and efficient. That's all from me. Thank you.